Okay, this is Nicky Garage. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is cylinder head. This cruise Chevrolet Cruise point 4. This one, you fix the head at the head. If you spark the car, then you can see smoke come from this inside. Smoke come from this inside. This reservoir inside. And you realize that the head is blown out. You see, it blown. So the smoke pass here and pass this cylinder 2 and cylinder 3. It's blown. That is why you can see smoke pass this through. And this one you can see in the gasket. You can see it. So this is where the smoke pass. And this is where the smoke pass. So it blown cylinder. This is cylinder 2 and then cylinder 3. So this is it. This one and then this one. So now the solution is that you have to cut this. We are going to cut the surface or resurface the head. Then the face of the head become level and smoother so that it will solve this problem that the blow up of the exhaust fumes through this reservoir. So this is it. Okay guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel and help the work. This is it.